How's it going, everyone? Wanted to give you a quick demo here of my 2006 Ford Crown Vic Police Interceptor with street appearance package. You might have seen my last video. We have made some subtle changes since that video, and I kind of just wanted to come here and show you guys those today. We have swapped out the Federal Signal Viper S2 for a Whelen Inner Edge right there. Big thanks and special shout out to Brian at Wilson's LED for swapping that out for me. Other than that, we basically are still kind of running the same kind of setup there. We do have the Whelen Rear Avenger right there. That's still the same. We have changed the configuration on it slightly, but that's kind of another detail for another day. We are still running the strobe tubes there and the reverse lights. Again, not much has changed back here or to the sides. Again, we are still I'm still planning to add some amber ions right there on the sides, but again, we're still kind of just up in the air with what we're going to throw at it at this point. It is still controlled by a Whelen HHS3200 with the CAN CTL5 control head, and the configuration has changed on that a little bit as well, but again, that's kind of a different video for a different day right there. We do have the Whelen headlight flashers as well, and it's also got the strobe tubes there in the corner. We're in a private parking lot here, so I'll go ahead and flip it on slide switch 3 for you guys, just give you a quick demonstration here. We do have the takedowns and headlight flashers wired together so that when slide switch 3 is activated, those will flash, but we do have a kill switch for that on the controller. But again, that'll be something that I'll kind of cover in a different video. So without further ado, we'll walk over here, flip them on, and give you a quick demonstration here. So we'll go ahead and just tap slide switch 3 here. And I've actually got the fuse for the strobe tube, the driver for the strobe tubes pulled out. So that's why those aren't flashing. But man, oh man, is that thing bright. I really don't think I could actually like go. I don't think a video does justice at all. I mean, that thing is amazing. I'm really in love with that light bar. And then again, you see we have the Rear Deck Avenger right there. And as you see, that thing is just mega bright right there. Again, I really love that thing too. We do have the takedowns and cruise mode programmed as well. I'll come over here and we'll kill this. Let's go ahead and activate the takedowns. And I mean, again, just stupid bright. I love those TIR3s. Not sure exactly why the video had stopped there, but there is the cruise mode. And again, just another awesome feature of that inner edge. I think that's such a cool feature to have. Just an awesome feature to have. I mean, even from the side, it's got a nice little punch. But definitely more changes to the build coming soon. You guys stay tuned. This is just kind of a quick video. It's not really meant to be super fantastic or, you know, professional or anything like that. It's just to kind of show it off. And then we also do have low power wired in, where that will kind of just dim everything down for us when we need to tone it down at night a little bit there. But you guys stay tuned for more updates to the build. And in the meantime, you guys stay safe out there.